This is the PTX 1031, which is designed to crimp and attach two pieces of sheet metal together. You can see that the punch is a tapered punch, so it penetrates the steel quite easily. And you can see where we've attached, two layers of sheet metal. It does exactly the same thing. I've run out of room in the corner here. But this can be used on most light gauge sheet metals. It is a custom tool. It is a build to order. But if you have an application for joining sheet metal, this is a good candidate for that. PTX 1031.